My name is Oliver Streibitz. I'm professor of political science at Franklin University. In the MSIM, I teach methods and thesis, so it's about thesis writing. Yes, I also teach comparative politics, and I'm also a professor at the University of Zurich. In this course, I teach the students, I make them equipped to write their thesis, to write scientific thesis, to do very systematic scientific work. So it's about methods very generally, how to approach and develop big questions, important, interesting research questions, and then how to answer them in a scientific way. So students learn in this course how to develop interesting research questions, which they are answering in their thesis. They learn how to approach questions scientifically, develop scientific research designs, and apply scientific methods to their questions of interest. What is particularly interesting about this course is that we can really start working on their thesis topics. We can look specifically about what kind of methods and skills they need to address their question they are really interested in. The course is important for future leaders because they learn how to very systematically approach important questions and how to resolve these questions in a scientific, in a systematic way. So it will give them the skills to work in international organizations, state agencies, many industries where what people really need is systematic approaches to wicked questions.